All right, my beautiful friends, it is Tuesday, July 2nd, 2019, and here we are. For the most part right now, with regard to the stock market, because that's where everybody wants to look, nothing major going on. We opened lower, we're slightly positive right now, but I want to show you something. You're going to love this. Right now, if you look at the bond market, you will see the 1 month and the 3-year are continuing. See the green? They're continuing to gain in yield while the rest of the yield curve is dropping. Now, this should not be a surprise to any of you that follow this blog. I've been explaining to you forever that the yield curve, there's no way that they can prevent the longer end of the curve from dropping, the shorter end of the curve from rising, unless, of course, the Fed cuts rates. In the video that I did yesterday, in the title, it said the Fed is going to cut rates this month. I still stand by that. I did have a little slip of the tongue in the middle of the video, and I said this week. However, the FOMC meeting is at the end of the month. That's when we're going to get the announcement of a cut, which is coming in my view. And again, it goes back to what I just showed you with regard to the non-existent yield curve. It's unbelievable. All right, let's talk about a few other things. Gold and silver are about at the flat line. Cryptos are under pressure here. Right now, the game remains risk on because the market is pricing in a cut. It's pricing it in. If there is no cut, like I said yesterday, this market is going to sleep with the fishes. And I really believe that's true. It's the only thing supporting this market is the promise of more easing money. We're getting warning after warning after warning about earnings coming in well below projections. So what does that mean? Without the Fed stepping in, what's going to support this market? Nothing. It's fantasy land. Our economy is falling off of a cliff. Everybody knows it. And we keep hearing more nonsense from our politicians, not just the president, but everybody in his cabinet keeps blowing sunshine at the crack of everyone who wants to listen. No, I'm sorry. It's just too stupid. It's going down, and it's going down big time. And without more Fed support, this entire illusion around us is going to correct to fair value, and that's going to be a moment in history people are not going to forget for centuries. That's how great the distortions are that exist today. It's frankly beyond belief. So that's where we're at right now with regard to these markets. Crude oil is down as well. Be careful. Keep your eyes out. Watch for a false flag. So what do we got? I mean, in summary, a market that's essentially flat, at least for now. We have cryptos under pressure, crude oil under pressure, gold and silver flat, but stocks are going up a little bit. Anyway, let's see where this goes, and let's watch for this meeting at the end of the month. See you later.